Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word citation for APA format. First thing we have to do is to go to our reference tab and click on manage sources. Make sure that your style is APA. Once this dialog pops up, you have to add a new source or edit an existing one. As you can see, I already have the book. That's one of my favorite books. It's really good and I do recommend that you read it. Make sure you fill as many fields as you can. It's a good practice, but if something is missing, it's not really a problem. Once you've done that, you can see the citation and the bibliography entry already prepared in APA for you. Next step will be actually writing our text. I have just pasted the quote that I took from this book. You use various sources, so it doesn't really matter where it comes from, just paste it here. And I'm gonna keep the full quote text on top for my own reference. So I compose my sentence. In the novel The Godfather, Mario Puzo, he's the author of this book, Mario Puzo explained that, and then I'm going to take the portion of this quote and cite it accordingly. So I just copy paste and it goes as explained that Italians have godfathers because, and here I paste my part, and of course I have to surround it by quotes. Next step is to cite it. Because this is a direct quote, I will have to put the page number in here, and here I just get rid of the entire quote because I don't need it anymore. And I click on insert citation and here's my source. If you have more, the drop down will be bigger. So as I said, I have to put the page number and I'm not sure what page it comes from right now. I'm just gonna put 122 for demonstration purposes. But if you do put a quote here, you have to know where it comes from, exactly which page or paragraph if it's an electronic source. Below, I'm going to show you how to use the same citation feature for paraphrasing. As you know, when you paraphrase, you don't have to put the page or paragraph number. It's very similar. I'm just going to do the full example that you have both quotation and paraphrasing. Writing the sentence in my own words might not be exactly the perfect example, but this is not a video on how to paraphrase. This is a video on citations. So please bear with me, and I do the same thing, insert citation. The only difference is that I do not put the page number. So now we go to the next page, and here's where we're going to insert the reference page. We click on references from the drop-down, and unfortunately Word doesn't format it exactly. So we have to select the proper font, proper size, and make sure it's double-spaced and all black color, all the typical APA requirements. Just give me a few seconds to do that. And here we go, center the references word. And we're pretty much done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't hesitate to leave comments if you have any questions or suggestions, whatever. I'm always happy to hear your feedback.